Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to make a newsletter in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add a newsletter on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a newsletter here, it's simple. First, go to pages. Click on add page. Here I will use Hostinger AI to generate my newsletter page. So I will describe it. For example, create a newsletter page where people or where visitors can opt for my latest travel updates by email. As you see, this is a great description, and here are some examples of page descriptions that you can get inspired from. Now click on create page, and this is my newsletter page. It uses this super basic form, so I will delete it like that. Now for the newsletter tool, or for the engine that will start sending newsletter emails automatically or manually, I will use this email marketing tool called Brevo. This is it. It offers a free plan that is very generous. So go to brevo.com, create your new account. It's super easy. First, click on sign up for free. Here you can fill in your email address manually or sign up with Google. Personally, I prefer to sign up with Google. Here, select the Google account you want to sign up using. Click on continue. Now fill in your first and last name, company name, and also the website address. Click on continue. Also your business address. Click on continue. Now tell them about your organization, how many people are on your team, how many contacts do you need to have, do you sell online? Yes. I don't want to receive product updates, marketing tips, or promotional content. Since you are new to Brevo, I recommend you to receive product updates. Click on continue. Now add your phone number in order to receive a verification code via SMS. Click on send verification code. I've instantly received the verification code via SMS, and this is the verification code. Click on verify. Here select the plan you want to use. I will go with the free plan. I get up to 300 emails per day, which is great. Customizable email templates, drag and drop editor, transactional emails, SMS and WhatsApp campaigns. Click on continue with free plan. And just like that, I've created my Brevo free account. Now to start an autoresponder on Hostinger, click on automations here. Then click on create your first automation. There are multiple automations templates that you can use. For example, an abandoned cart automation in order to send a message after a contact abandons a cart. For this video, I will go with a welcome message automation. Click on create automation. Close this window. As you see, the first step in this automation is that the contact is added to list. In which list we are talking about, select it from here. Click on your first folder and select your first list number 2. Select it like that. This is a default list that Brevo gives you. Click on next. Choose the period of time before next step. This is just like a tutorial to show you how to work with automation on Brevo. Unfortunately, you cannot select 0, so I will go with 1 minute. You can delete it later. I will show you how to do it. Click on next, and now write your first automated email. Click on edit. Close this window. This is the email template that they give you. You can delete the elements from here. Just click on the side of the element. Delete. Let's delete all of this. Personally, I prefer to send the text-based templates, because this, as you see, this block cannot be deleted. Okay, I recommend you to use simple text-based autoresponder emails in order to improve your deliverability. Now let's add the text block like that, and here, all right, for example, hi. Let's say you want to fill subscriber first name here. Just click on this little icon, add a variable, select which attribute would you like to insert. I want to. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Select which attribute would you like to insert. I want to insert the first name. And in the case this attribute is empty, for example, for whatever reason, Brevo does not have your subscriber first name, they will replace it with there. Click on insert. Now fill in write your autoresponder first email. Hi there, this is my autoresponder first email. Now click on use this design in automation. Now that we've designed the email message, let's scroll down to the email subject line. For example, same thing, you can add the variables. This is my first email message subject line. I will go with hi variable. Same thing, contact attributes and search for first name. Hi first name. This is my first email message subject line. You can also use a preview text. And here in the email address, you can select between adding or using this email address, or create or add a new sender, for example, using your pro email address, for example, ben@dotcom.builders. Same thing for the sender names. Let's use Ben. Click on save. Now your first email or your autoresponder first email is ready. Here I need to delete this waiting step because I want my first email to be delivered as soon as possible. Let's delete this delivery step or this waiting step. Now, before activating this automation, let's say you want to send an automated email next day. So here I will click on rules, drag and drop this rule of time delay, add it here, select 1 day, click on save. Then after 1 day, the action is send an email. Drag and drop it here. Now click on select template. On this account, I don't have a saved template. I recommend you to create a saved template in order to gain time or to not lose time. Let's try create from scratch. Simple editor. Hi. Where is the attribution? First name. This is my next day email message. This is how to save as template. Click on save as template, give it a name, for example, simple text based template or my simple text based template. Click on save as template. So next time, no need to fill in this text. I recommend you to use hi first name for this email message, then save it as the template. Now click on use this design in automation. This is a preview of my message. Same thing here. Fill in your subject line. For example, hey, this is next day email. Select the sender email address and also the sender name. Click on save. Now my autoresponder automation is ready. Click on activate automation. As you see, new contacts matching your triggers will enter the automation. You can pause or deactivate the automation as needed. Click on activate automation. Your automation has been activated. Now let's show you how to create a form that starts adding contacts to your email list in order to automatically start sending them this automation emails. Let's go back to the home page. As you see, now you have, or from the automations page, you have a welcome message automation that is active. Click on create sign up form. Here you can select between full page embedded, which means a form or an email or a subscriber form embedded on your hosting or website builder page, or a pop-up. I will go with embedded. Give your form a name and click on create form. Now design your form. For example, I will call it subscribe to my autoresponder to get updates. Let's delete this little text. You can edit the fields. Just click on it. You can delete the help text and the label. I want to add the first name yes field. Go to form design, not form design, click on build, click on attribute and drag and drop it here. Here, select a first name from this list. Personally, I prefer to hide the label name and also the help text. Now to edit this button text, just select the text, and here you can for example join my list. Now to edit this button text or size, click on button. Make sure to click on button, or just by selecting it from here, you can adjust the button size or the button text size. To edit this one, click on it, adjust the text, and so on. Now that we have our form ready, let's show you a little trick, or it's not a trick, it's a simple thing. So just click on to remove this gray, select it like that, and make it transparent from here. After editing your form, click on next. Choose the captcha. No. Here, select in which list those subscribers will join. Here, select your first list. This one, this is the one we've selected for our automation. Click on next. Here you can select between double confirmation email, single confirmation email, or joining your list with no confirmation email. Personally, I highly recommend you to use double confirmation email in order to get only good quality subscribers. With a double confirmation email, I mean that your subscribers will first receive an email message automatically after filling their information with a confirmation button, or a subscription or an email address confirmation button. This means that your subscribers really have access to their inbox or to their email address inbox. Now you can select between editing your confirmation page after submitting the form. For example, after filling this form, where they will land. You can select between landing on a page of your website. Usually it's a page that lets them know that they need to confirm their email address, or you can use a Brevo default email confirmation page. Click on default email confirmation page. Same thing for the confirmation page. After clicking on the validation link in the email or in the first email, you can send them to a page on your website saying, for example, your email address is confirmed. Now you will receive an email from us or from me. You can or you can use a default thank you page, or a Brevo default thank you page. Now click on next. I forgot to select a template. Click on next. Now these are the default message. For example, your subscription has been successful. You can edit those messages. Click on next. Here, instead of copying the iframe code, switch to HTML to avoid an embedding error with Hostinger. Now let's go back to Hostinger website builder. Then from our newsletter page, click on elements, then scroll down to the bottom and drag this embed code element and drop it where you want it to display. Click on enter code, delete this default code and paste the HTML code from Brevo. Click on embed code, and just like that, you will see your newsletter form will start showing. Now click on update website to publish this newsletter for this new newsletter form, and let's view it live. This is my website and this is the newsletter page, and this is how the newsletter form looks like. Of course, you can edit it. For example, you can delete this text, edit this newsletter form fields, also this newsletter button. Now, before jumping into how to write the automation emails for this newsletter, let's add a big button here to promote our newsletter on our website. So first, or before that, since my header is transparent, I will edit this section background image, or just the color. I will switch to something lighter like that. Now click on the header section, then click on edit header, go to the elements tab, and next to show button, enable this option to see in this big button. Now click on edit button, and here you can edit the button text. For example, join my newsletter, and here select link to a page and search for your newsletter page. This is it. Of course, you can edit the button design, for example, the field color, the text color, text size, and so on. Now close this window and don't forget to update your website again. Let's view my website live. And if I click on this big button on the header, I will be forwarded to this newsletter page. Now let's test joining this new newsletter. Confirm your subscription. We need to confirm your email address to complete the subscription process. Please click on the link present in the email we just sent you. You won't be subscribed if you don't click the confirmation email. This is the step I've talked about previously. You can change this page with a page of on your own website that describes well this step. I think I've already received the confirmation email. This is the confirmation email. As you see, it was received just yet. Click on yes, subscribe me to this list. Thank you for subscribing. You have subscribed successfully. This is the page we've talked about before. You can also edit this where your confirmed subscribers land after hitting or after clicking this button. You can use a page on your website that says, for example, thank you for subscribing. You will receive your free PDF on your inbox, or check your inbox, or check your spam folder or something like that. And now I've received the first automated email on this Brevo autoresponder. As you see, this is my name, this is the subject line, and this is how to make a newsletter in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.